Have you ever wondered how a law is actually made in Montserrat? Let's break it down quickly and clearly. Firstly, everything starts with an idea. Usually, this comes from government in response to a policy issue, national priority, or a need identified in society. Opposition members may also introduce bills provided these bills do not impose taxes or charge public funds. Before a bill reaches Parliament, Cabinet must first agree to the proposed law or amendment. Next, the idea is turned into a bill. A bill is simply a proposed law, drafted carefully, usually by legal experts, to ensure that it is clear, enforceable, and aligned with existing laws. Then, the bill goes to the Legislative Assembly. This is where the formal process begins. Step 1. First reading. This is basically an introduction. The title of the bill is read, No Debate, as of yet. Step 2. Second reading. Now we get into the substance. Members debate the purpose of the bill, why it matters, what it does, and whether it should move forward. Step 3. Committee stage. This is where things get detailed. The bill is examined clause by clause. Changes, called amendments, can be made here. Step 4. The third reading. Final review. A vote is taken. If the majority agrees, the bill passes. But it's not law just yet. The final step is assent by the governor on behalf of His Majesty, the King. Once approved, the bill officially becomes law, sometimes referred to as an act. And that's the process, from idea to debate to law. Understanding this matters because laws shape everything, from business to development, opportunities, and daily life. Now you know. This has been a presentation from the Office of the Legislative Assembly.